Yeah, this is impressive. There's crema. Oh gosh. Yeah, that is the same pods that I just used in the Breville machine. Temperature comes out 130. That's after I transferred it. This little machine is pretty dang impressive. Let's taste. I would say that it extracts stronger than the Nespresso machine. This is Nespresso Breville, expensive machine. Kind of my gold standard for these little pods. It's warmer and the extraction is stronger. A little more astringency, but it's also a lot more flavor. So especially if you're using this for making like a latte or some kind of milk-based drink, there's no question that this will grab more flavor from your little pods. Dang, I am impressed. The manual is a little confusing. It's really long. It's like a book. But you just load the water. In this top part, there's a menu. Down in the bottom is where the pods are. You can also do grinds. I'm going to try that also, but this is impressive. I've had machines like this, and they do brew the little pods, but they don't give you a crema like this. They get some espresso out, and I thought that was kind of the best you could do for someone, you know, camping or on the road. But this is as good, if not, I think better. You do have to wait for the water to heat up, or you can add preheated water, but I just put in cold water. I recommend you not use like mineral water or bottled water. It's got too much mineral content, just for any machine in general. It's not just this machine. It's just too hard on the heating elements. You can dilute your mineral water with some either RO water or some distilled water. There's different ratios online, but I definitely think it'll help your machine last longer, and actually give you a better coffee, because if there's too much mineral, the extraction is not ideal. So far, this machine is pretty freaking amazing. Okay, it's been heating for a couple minutes. It's got a Luvio pod in there. And you can definitely see the crema. I think you can stop the brew too. This is a ristretto from my Breville Nespresso, just in comparison.